Kia revealed the facelifted version of the K5 midsize sedan in Korea, bringing a number of visual and technological updates exactly 5 years after its debut. Despite the never-ending rise of crossovers, Kia continues to update its sedans with the same cadence. The unloved Stinger, which was technically a hatchback, is no more. But there are still plenty of 3-box offerings to choose from if you're not sold on SUVs. Formerly known as the Optima, the K5 is getting a mid-cycle facelift nearly 4 years after the current 5th-generation model was officially unveiled. The current generation of the K5 Optima replacement was praised for its styling when it launched back in 2019, which is probably why Kia designers didn't opt for radical changes on the exterior. Instead, they tweaked the headlights and taillights, giving them more modern LED graphics that expand on the redesigned front and rear bumpers. The intakes at the front look similar to the Kia EV6 GT-Line, and the ducktail spoiler at the back is more prominent. Finally, there are new options for the alloy wheels and to new exterior shades: Wolf Gray and Moonscape Matte Gray. Inside, the facelifted Kia K5 features a sleeker panoramic curved display, integrating dual 12.3-inch screens and getting rid of the physical buttons. The new infotainment is compatible with over-the-air updates, remote control features from the user's smartphone, a fingerprint authentication system, and music streaming services, which can be enjoyed in the optional 12-speaker premium sound system. Below, we find the revised controls for the ASC, a wireless charging pad, and a much smaller selector for the automatic gearbox. Finally, the interior upholstery can be personalized, with 3 new color options including sand, Martian brown, and black. Those who prefer a darker look for their Kia K5 can opt for the Black Fit optional package, which adds a set of black 18-inch or 19-inch wheels, a black suede headliner, plus a dark finish for the mirror caps, rear diffuser, and tailpipes. Mechanical changes are limited to a revised suspension setup for improved ride comfort, which is combined with better sound insulation. Powertrain options of the Korean spec model include a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter MPI with 158 horsepower, a turbocharged 1.6-liter TGDI with 178 horsepower, a 2.0-liter LPI with 144 horsepower, and the more efficient hybrid producing a combined 192 horsepower. The Kia K5 is available for pre-orders in Korea, with prices ranging between $20,503 and $29,117 depending on the powertrain and the trim. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.